baby.
That's right, that's right. So today we got Brian with us. What's up, dude?
What up, people?
And we're working on Frankie, and we're going to take a break from the body work just because that's not fun with Brian. Actually, go right here. And we are going to stop by good old O'Reilly's and get some exhaust extensions, and we're going to pull the exhaust back a little bit. Pretty easy job, should be fun, right? Boom. And yeah, so let's go. Brian?
I think so too.
We got both the extensions. I was actually really worried they weren't going to have them. We were going to have to go somewhere else. So we got both the extensions. And I think what we're going to try and do is run them a little farther out. Maybe still keep with that curve if we can get everything matched up. And bam. Boom. Exhaust right now is dumping out right here. So you still get a little bit of the exhaust, so we're going to use those extenders and put it like right about there, so at least it'll be back more, and then hopefully it'll hit the tire there, because I think they were, yeah, it should end like right there. What do you think?
Do it.
All right, boom. Brian, what have we done so far?
Did one side, now we're gonna do the other.
Nice. So this is, you can see this is the placement we have it now, like right after the cab, right? Right, Shai? Yeah, Shai's dabbing over here. Or what do you call that?
Dab.
Yeah. And that's the new one. So roughly, 24 inches back or whatever. Much better. And I think that'll help too with the going to help with the exhaust fumes and the sound. And to Oli's point, it's kicking right to the tire there. I was thinking about going straight back, but Oli's was telling me you get the little bit of the hum going when you do that. Our buddy Dano, Oli's Garage. All right, let's get back to work. We're doing pretty good, bro.
Yeah, it looks good.
Yeah, it looks amazing. What are you talking about? There we go. Where is it? Oh, yeah. Oh, I'm too close. There you go. Yeah, it looks way better. We just got to put the strap on and we'll be good. So we're gonna do the startup to see how he sounds now. The only thing we got to go back and fix is I can't find the other, what do you call this thing? I've got another one of these that we need to use. So for now, we just wrapped it with the bungee cord. I'll circle back to that. That's no big deal. What do you think, B?
Looks good.
So-
sounds good.
Dude, yes. So we're gonna start up. Actually, I'll have Brian start him up, and then yeah, that'd be good. Thank you guys for all the support. Bill Cameron, you're the man. That drill that Bill hooked us up with is sick. So it made such an easy job of this project. So thank you. Go check out Bill Cameron, and thank you, Brian. Boom, baby. You gotta blow it up.
Okay, let's do it again.
All right, boom. Brian's gonna start him up. We're gonna see how Frankie sounds now. He's gonna be really cold, so
This is the favorite here, right?
yeah.
All right.
Oh, what do you think?
That's good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Ready? Oh. Go ahead.
So,
Give it a little gas too. All right, there you go. All right, sounds good. I mean, he's definitely a little quieter, but I think it's a good level.